Today I'm working on the metallic finish of the Winter Soldier's 3D printed arm. I started off with some high grit mouse sanding to remove any initial layer lines and imperfections. And then I can add my first layer of Rust-Oleum's 2-in-1 filler primer. And this will just fill any small blemishes or leftover layer lines to make sanding easier. And there is a lot of sanding to get done if you want to achieve a smooth metallic finish. I then apply some Bondo glazing and spot putty to fill any of the larger gaps or errors. This larger dent is the result of the upside down print orientation with minimal support material in that area. The other major gaps were caused by oversanding, and this can all be fixed with some common filler. And with another layer of filler primer applied, the Winter Soldier's arm is ready for some higher grit sanding. And this smooth metallic finish is well worth the time spent filling and sanding over and over. And I'm finally ready to add this cool metallic primer before I start painting. Thanks for watching, follow for more.